Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to synchronize Google Drive on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, for synchronize your Google Drive account here, you just have to open your settings on your phone like this. And now in the settings page, you just have to scroll it down until you find out here the users and accounts. And after, in this page, you just have to go to this Google options, and now you can choose for your Google Drive account, for example like this. Just tap on it, and as you can see, for my Google Drive is already synchronized, I guess, as you can see this checklist, this green checklist beside the options. And if you want to synchronize it, you just have to tap on this three dots icon. Now tap on sync now. So there will synchronize automatically, guys. So yeah, I think it's enough guys for me, a tutorial how to synchronize Google Drive on Android. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.